Welcome back. This is Swayam the one again, and in this video we are going to talk about the 100 plus e-com product ads swipe file so that you can skyrocket your sales of your e-commerce website or your one funnel, one product sales funnels. All right. So basically, these ads swipe file will help you to monetize your These ads swipe files will help you to define the way to create the advertisements, how to set up the ads, how to set up the ad copy, how to choose the creative of your ads, and what you should have written in your ad copy to drive more and more sales. All right. So the biggest challenge everyone faces in e-com is creating the high converting Facebook ads that actually brings in sales and engagement at a very low cost. That is why we decided to create a swipe file of over 100 plus FB ads that we have saved by top e-commerce stores. Our team is compiling them and putting it all together at the moment. If you want to strategize your next advertisement campaign, or you want to set up the ad copy of your next advertisement campaign, you should use these ads swipe files. Alright, these swipe files basically will help you to set up advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, the swipe files contains the examples of both AliExpress products as well as POD products, niche store products, as well as if you have a general store, you can use these product ads swipe file for ads creation. We know this is going to help a lot of people, and that is why we decided to dedicate time and resources, because our goal is to help you make money with e-commerce product sales funnel, which is available inside the Askmefunnels membership world. Alright, so again, to have an overview of these ads swipe file, the process is very simple. Just tap the button below, and it will redirect you to the high converting sales funnel, which is available inside it will redirect you to basically a Dropbox account, and here you would be able to explore the 100 plus e-commerce advertisements. All right, so what you need to do is just click on the double tap on the images available inside these swipe files, and you would be able to explore the manner of advertisements creation to get more and more engagements to your advertisements and generate more sales. So this is a pretty good example of the Angular design. They have created an ad for the free plus shipping, I think, buy one get one type kind of the advertisements, and they are really good for the bracelet selling store. All right, so just there are 171 other advertisements in this world, and for the people who are interested in skull products, they have a very good idea how they can choose their ad copy, how they can set up or ad creative, and how to write ad copy to drive more and more conversions. Right, so this is the another example of the advertisement. So you can explore the different options available in this funnel world, and you would be able to set up the advertisements accordingly for your next project. Alright, so this is all about the e-com product ads swipe file, and in the next video we will talk about the business niche you can use Ask Me Funnels membership area to sell services and products to your audience. Right? Thanks for watching this video.